Hello students, Unit 2 fractions and decimals is going on. Fractions part is over now. Now we will start with decimals. So you all have learnt about decimals in the earlier classes. Let's recall decimals here. So here I have drawn this place value table where we represent a decimal number. So how we represent? So this is ones, tens, hundreds, and after decimal we have tenth, hundredth and thousandth place. Place value of ones is 1, tens is 10, hundred is 100, and at the tenth place the place value is 1 over 10, hundredth place it is 1 over 100, and thousandth place it is 1 over 1000. Now if we want to represent this number in the place value table, for that we will see here what is the number given before decimal. So it is 253. So here 3 will be at ones place, 5 will be at tens place, and 2 will be at hundreds place. And after decimal 149, that we will write here 1 at the tenth place, 4 at the hundredth place, and 9 at the thousandth place. So this is the place value table of decimal numbers. Now let's see how to compare two decimal numbers. Comparing the decimal numbers, let's have an example. If we have number 0.34 and on the other side we have 0.29. So to compare these two decimal numbers, first we will check the number which is in the left side of decimal. So it is 0, that is same. So if the number which is in the left side of the decimal, if it is same, then we will check the next digit which is after the decimal, that is 3. So here we have 3 which is at the 10th place, and here is 2 at the 10th place. So obviously here 3 is greater than 2. So that means 0.34 is greater than 0.29. Let's have one more example. If we have number 1.37 and on the other side we have 1.35. So here first we will compare the digit which is at the left side of decimal, at the ones place. Here it is 1, 1, same. So we will check the next digit which is after the decimal. So here the digit at the 10th place is also same. Now we will check the digit at the 100th place. So here 7 and this side is 5. So 7 is greater than 5, that means this number 1.37 is greater than 1.35. So to compare the decimal numbers, just first check the digit which is on the left side of decimal. Then if it is same, check the digit which is at the 10th place. Then if it is also same, check the digit at the 100th place. If it is also same, then check the digit at the 1000th place. So in this way you will compare the decimal numbers. Let's see now question number 1 of exercise 2.5. It is given which is greater. So here we are to compare these decimal numbers. Let's see first part. Here 0.5 is equal to or 0.05. So we are to check which is greater. So first we will compare the digit which is at the left side of decimal. So it is 0, same. Then we will check the digit which is at after the decimal, that is at the 10th place. So here 5 and here is 0. So obviously 5 is greater. Therefore 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Same as in second part, 0 is same. Then we will check the digit at the 10th place. It is 7 and it is 5. So obviously 0.7 is greater. Now let's see third part, 7 or 0.7. So here this 7 is given as a whole number. So to write in decimal we can put here decimal 0. Okay. Now if we compare the digit before decimal, it is 7 and this side is 0. So here this is greater. 7 is greater, so it means this is greater than 0.7. Now fourth part, 1.37 or 1.49. So first before decimal both digits are same 1 1, and after decimal 3 is at the 10th place and here 4 is at the 10th place. So here this number is greater, it means 1.37 is smaller than 1.47. So here we have to tell that which is greater. So we will either write 1.37 is smaller or write it as 1.49 is greater than 1.37. Now 2.03 or 2.30. So here 2 is same. Then we will check that digit at the 10th place. It is 0 and it is 3. So here 2.30 is greater because here it is 0 and it is 3. So here it is smaller, or you can write it as 2.30 is greater. Now last part, 0.8 or 0.88. So 0 is same before decimal. Then we will check after decimal at the 10th place. Here we have 8 and here also we have 8. So we will check the next digit. So here next digit at that 100th place is not given. So we will write it as 0 because there is no value of this 0. So we can write here 10 at the 100th place. Now here at the 100th place we have 0 and here at the 100th place we have 8. So obviously this number will be greater. So 0.88 is greater. So we can write here 0.88 is greater. So this was solution of question number 1.